Hi my friends, today we model this part. It seems to be simple, but you'll see that it is not so simple. This is the drawing, and we start by creating this contour, you see, to here, and this is the center point of our construction. All the necessary dimensions are here. Let's start. New, standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane, then we draw a vertical line from the center point up 18. Okay, then another vertical as a center line equal with this and with the bottom ends of the two lines on the same horizontal. The distance between these two is 8. Now we activate the tool line. We press the left button in the center point, and we have an arc perpendicular, you see here, perpendicular on the vertical. Once again, press the left button and go somewhere here. Then a tangent line, press the left button and go here. Then we close this contour. Dimensions. The distance here is 10.5. This is radius 6. This is radius 17. This is 5. The distance between this point and this line is 1.7, and this is 7.5. We have a fully constrained sketch now. Finish, revolve about this axis, not this axis, as you can see. This is center line. Automatically Inventor founds a close contour and a center line. This is not included in revolution, in the sketch of revolution. Okay, we use this plane to split the part. Take a look here. Split, select tool. I select that plane. Then we select this solution to cut this volume, not this volume. Okay, we have a nice object. We apply mirror of the whole object about this plane Okay. Next is this cut. We create only half of it and we apply mirror. Dimensions: radius 13, angle 16, radius 3 at 3.8, radius 3 at 5 millimeters. We have to take care of the coincidence of the centers right here of this radius 17 already used and radius 13. We'll place this arc as an offset of 17 minus 13 is 4. Let's do this. We use the plane XY, F7, home. We project this arc and also this line. Then we apply offset of this at a distance of 17 minus 13. We continue with line, which will be an arc because we keep pressed the left button here to go somewhere here. Then a tangent, a line tangent, and we go right up, then another line to this midpoint, another line to this end. You see, here is tangent, here is tangent, here is tangent. Okay, the constraints are okay. Then we apply dimensions, radius 3, the center at 3.8, 3.8, then angle of 16 here, radius 3, and the distance between these two entities of 5. We have a fully constrained sketch. Finish, extrude with cut, symmetrical all the way through the part. Okay. Then mirror of the last feature about this plane. Okay. You see the result here. Now we have to create this contour, 16, radius 25, radius 3. We use this plane, F7, home, we project this line and we draw lines. This is the first, up, keep press the left button, go here or here, then also keep press the left button to somewhere here, once again keep pressed, and we close this. Now we make tangent this arc with this line, and coincident the center the midpoint with the center point. Equal are this arc with this arc, and equal are these two. Then we place dimensions. 3 is this, 16 here, and 25. We have a fully constrained sketch. Finish, extrude, symmetrical, cut, not cut, but intersect all the way through the part. Okay, very nice. Now we have to create this bottom fillet of radius 20 by using this line, fillet 20. Okay. Then we have to create this revolving volume by using this contour in a sketch. Dimensions are here. I don't mention them. You see what to consider here. This is a conical end which goes inside this part. Good. We use XY plane for a new sketch. F7. We draw here a horizontal line, sloped one, other slope line, a vertical line. We go somewhere here, slope, horizontal, vertical, left, and here. This must be horizontal. This. And coincident is this one with a center point. This is a center line. And it must be vertical or perpendicular on this. Okay, this is horizontal. You see here. But it is also parallel with this. Okay, everything is okay. Now we project this small line, horizontal, to place a dimension between these 2 points, dimension of 40. Then here is 0.3. Angles, and this is 16 divided by 2. This is 22. This is 15. I move this up because I want to place some diameters. This is 6. This is 10. And this is 12. Here is 3.5. and this is 52. We have to place this inside the former object. We can place here a dimension only to have a fully constrained sketch. For instance, with the value of, say, 24. It is inside here. Now we have fully constrained sketch. Finish, revolve, OK. We see here radius 2, fillets. Let's apply. This is fillet 2, which is by default, and also 2 here. OK. Other fillets are radius 0.5, radius 0.5. All around this upper volume. The order is very important. We select this and we place 0.5. Then we go here. Then this contour, and finish with this. OK. Let's see what is the volume. Properties, physical update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is almost the same. We eliminate this and we keep this one because this is what we did together. Good. Material is polypropylene. This, and we apply view, visual style shaded, and default lights. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.